Watch out. Skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in the U.S. The sun's rays can also cause premature aging, increasing fine lines and deepening wrinkles. You should use sunscreen every day, but many are greasy, messy, and sting your eyes. Finally, there's a solution. Introducing Brush On Block, the invisible mineral powder sunscreen that you simply brush on. Now it's easy to get SPF 30 protection every day. Professional makeup artist Susan Posnick is a skincare expert and skin cancer survivor. She knows firsthand what happens when you don't protect your skin.
That's why I designed Brush On Block for the whole family to use. It's quick, it's convenient, and I promise it'll change the way you feel about putting on sunscreen.
Kids love it because it's not greasy and doesn't sting their eyes. Men can finally make sure their bald spot doesn't burn. And Brush On Block is invisible, so you can easily apply on your neck and over your makeup. You won't know you're wearing it, but you'll know it's working. Watch. Brian and Shay applied Brush On Block to one side of their face and went for a bike ride in the sun. Look at the amazing difference. The side with Brush On Block was protected, but the untreated side has sunburn. Brush On Block really works. Remember, skin damage doesn't just happen on sunny days. Dangerous UV rays can penetrate through to your skin even when it's cloudy.
Why risk getting skin cancer or aging before your time with unnecessary wrinkles when Brush On Block is so easy to use?
Who wants wrinkles? I love Brush On Block because I can apply it over my makeup to help protect my skin.
It's not greasy in my hair, and it protects my head from burning.
So wash your face, brush your teeth, and Brush On Block.